Hey everybody, Craig here, taking you on that high vibe path. I keep getting this question of how to anchor new empowering beliefs. We all understand that limiting beliefs are detrimental to our lives. They hold us back, they keep us stuck, they keep us in fear. So when we want to replace a limiting belief, how do we instill that new empowering belief quickly and almost automatically? Well, I'm going to share with you a technique that has been proven effective with probably millions of people. It comes from Neurolinguistics programming, but it has been modified over the years in several ways. Let's just get into it, and I'll take you through this exercise and see if you don't come out feeling a little more enough, because that's the limiting belief we're going to work with today, is not feeling enough. I'm not handsome enough. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not enough, right? Okay, so get the empowered belief in your mind. I am enough. And start there. I am enough. Now, I want you to remember a time when you felt on top of the world, where life just seemed to fit together and you were exactly where you were supposed to be. I want you to picture it in your mind, see it, and I want you to make that picture brighter. I want you to make it larger. I want you to really get into it. See who was there. Remember how you felt. Smell the smells and hear the sounds. And as you remember and you begin to feel those feelings again, when they reach their peak, just place your hand on your heart and say, I am enough. And then go back into that picture. See it. Make it brighter. Make it clearer. Make it louder. Feel the feeling. Really feel it. Really get into it. And then place your hand on your heart and say, I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Do this over and over, and eventually you will anchor that new empowered belief. And every time you start slipping into thoughts of not being enough, you can place your hand on your heart and you can say, I am enough. Try it out and see if it doesn't work for you. Till next time.